I listen always your program, and sometimes when you speak your dialect, the Igbo language, you speak, I call your tribe Ibo, IGBO, Ibo. And the language, you also call it Ibo, IGBO. But I am surprised when you switch speaking English, you call the tribe Ibo, EGO, and the language Igbo. Is there any tribe and language that is called Igbo?
Okay, please, if you bear, thank you for the question. The Barrister Meka wrote a book where I've been arguing with him for the past 7 months. He's here to speak, to clarify this.
Yeah, it's a big lecture to give you within 5 minutes. But if you can access the book on Amazon, you see the difference between the 3 words, Ibo, Igbo, and Biafra. How the 3 words originated and the meanings of the 3 words. IBO, IGBO, and the Biafra. How did these 3 words come into humanity, into mankind, into usage in the world of the living? How did these 3 words originate and what's their meaning from the origin? So I conducted the research for 7 years to be able to crack that question, because people have been asking, are we Igbos or Biafrans? How did the word Biafra come? Is Biafra a word in Igbo language? All those questions have been answered, and it took me 7 years of research. So when I talk about it, I talk with authority. Many people who are talking have not done any study, any research on this matter. They're just talking because they had somebody say this, they had somebody say that. Take your time and start and make a research for 7 years and know what it costs. And then you come out, you say this is this. In fact, that work, it took something out of me to crack that thing.
Then tell the world we are listening.
Yes, it took something out of me for 7 years, painstakingly making research to get the whole facts. In fact, many people who have read that book, they are shouting. In fact, one judge in Nigeria, a chief judge, a serving chief judge that is serving right now in the judiciary, called me and said that this book must be in circulation in Nigeria. I said, well, whatever you want to do. He said, okay, they want to arrange and make sure that that book is in print all over Nigeria. That the information in that book
is very rich, yes.
That the information in that book, he has never seen it in all his life as a judge.
But we are reading the book. I'm reading myself, but answer this, our brother. So tell him, please.
Yeah.
It could be also be uploaded on the website, so that people can also see the book.
No, just
so they can buy.
Now, if you go to Google now, Google
ebooks,
yes.
Then type the name of the book, Biafra or Nigerian Presidency. What the Igbos want, Biafra or Nigerian Presidency. It will take you to Amazon. Or you can go to Amazon.com. Amazon, you know Amazon online. Good. You can go to Amazon online straight away and type in the name Biafra or Nigerian Presidency. What the Igbos want. It will bring it out.
All right.
So, but what is the? Are you going to tell us very briefly? Summarize it for us, please.
It's a big lecture.
No, but in summary.
Okay.
In summary. Abbreviated lecture.
Okay, that's all right.
Okay, thank you very much for everything.
Thank you.
I will speak on again. Thank you for the information. Thank you very much. You are doing a great job.
Thank you.
May God sustain you in Jesus' name.
Amen. Yes. But you don't want to give us this lecture now.
Well, I told you it's not something 5 minutes.
But there is a difference anyway between Igbo and Biafra.
Yes.
And if you want the whole detail, you wait for the lecture or you buy the book. Whichever one is easier for you to do. And if you're joining us, this is Radio Biafra. We're coming to you from London.